Linking your bank account to Mural for Teams is a straightforward process that allows for seamless financial transactions. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into Mural. Access your Mural account by visiting the Mural website and entering your login credentials. Ensure you are using the correct account associated with your team. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment settings and to add a new bank account. Step 4. Add bank account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Mural for Teams, enabling efficient financial management for your collaborative projects.